we have seen local maximum, local minimum. Why we say local maximum, local minimum? Very nearest value, we are taking very nearest left and very nearest right at value. That's why we say local maximum, local minimum. Let me give some more example, one more algebraic term plus trigonometric term. Better question number 3, I am taking sixth part. Question number 3, sixth part I am taking g of x is equal to what is given here, x upon 2 plus 2 by x. What is condition? They are saying x is greater than 0. The value of x is above 0. Okay, fine. You know the procedure. Even you can do it. Let me do now. G dash of x. What is g dash of x? 1 upon 2. You know, you must know the differentiation, simple differentiation. Minus 2 by x square. Now I told you, you should bring into simplest form. Are you clear? Now let me bring into simplest form this one, that is x square minus 2 the whole upon x square minus 4 the whole upon 2x square. Now therefore g dash of x, finally we are getting x minus 2 into what we are getting better, x plus 2 the whole upon 2x square. Okay, now make it a box. Now let what I told you, g dash of x equal to 0. So this implies we get the value of x is 1 is 2 and another one is minus 2. So what I told you, each value of x is nearest left and nearest right. Now first I am taking at x is equal to where? At x is equal to 2. Now left at 2, left at 2 and then right at 2. Right at 2. Okay. Left at 2 पे x is equal to, I am taking 1.9 and right at 2 पे x equal to 2.1. Let us take. कहाँ पे substitute? Testing always f dash of x. Increasing, decreasing में भी, can you remember? Increasing, decreasing also we did testing in f dash of x. Now f dash of x, if I substitute 1.9 here, that is f dash नहीं है बेटा, यहाँ पे g dash है. Function is g dash. G dash of x equal to, if I keep 1.9 here, 1.9 minus 2, negative we will get. 1.9 plus 2, we will get positive value. The whole upon denominator always positive क्योंकि 2x square है. Now that is equal to the total value we are getting negative. Here if I substitute g dash of 2.1, that is equal to, if I keep here 2.1, I will get positive. If I get 2.1, again I will get positive. Denominator always positive, that is equal to positive. If the sign changes from negative to positive, then tell me what is g of x? Implies g of x is, yes, exactly, well done. G of x is a minimum and its minimum value is and its minimum value is कहाँ substitute करना है बेटा value? g of x पे कौन सा पॉइंट 2, so g of 2 equal to 2 upon 2 plus 2 upon 2, so that is equal to, we will get it to 2. Now इधर देख, here x is greater than 0. I cannot take x not equal to, since यहाँ पे एक reason लिख रही हूँ बेटा, since x is greater than 0, therefore x का value I can take only 2. I cannot take minus 2 as per given. In case if they did not give, then I can take it minus 2. So as per given x is a positive, so I have two value of x, that is 2 and minus 2, but I can take only positive. So at 2 pay we are getting the function is minimum and the minimum value of g of x we are getting 2. Are you clear beta? It is so simple, but testing yaad rakhna. Now let me take one more example of a trigonometric term. But I am taking fourth part. Trigonometric. F of x equal to, this is also one of the most important questions. Sin x minus cos x. The value of x belongs to 0 to 2 pi open interval, excluding 0 and excluding 2 pi. Okay, let us first begin. Now, whatever the procedure, whatever I told you, same procedure we will move forward. F dash of x, that is equal to, this becomes cos x and sin cos differentiation क्या sin x. Now let f dash of x equal to 0. If I take x equal to 0, then cos x equal to, we will get it minus sin x. If I divide through by cos x, then I will get it tan x is equal to minus 1. बच्चे minus 1 कब आता है tan में? Minus 1, when we will get minus 1? Yes बेटा, minus 1 कितने डिग्री पे minus 1? वैसे 1 कितने डिग्री पे आता है? You know how to make it when we will get it minus 1. 1 कितने डिग्री पे आता है? pi by 4 पे. So थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में tan क्या होता है? पॉजिटिव होता है. सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में नेगेटिव. So we will get it. This implies tan x is equal to minus 1. Otherwise, inverse trigonometric में I taught you how to bring the value of this. Tan 3 pi by 4 पे minus 1 आएगा. Tan 7 pi by 4 पे minus 1 आएगा. etc. ये चलता रहेगा. Now this implies x is equal to, we are getting 3 pi by 4, comma 7 pi by 4. Definitely both value belongs to open interval 0 to where 2 pi. अब each value का nearest left, nearest right value देखना है. Now I am taking at x is equal to where 3 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4. Now left at 3 pi by 4, left at 3 pi by 4 and right at 3 pi by 4, right at 3 pi by 4. बच्चे अब ढंग से सुन लेना. लेफ्ट वैल्यू में नोन वैल्यू लेना 3 pi by 4, I think 135 degree. You take it 120 degree. It is a known value. It is quite easy for you. Now you have to substitute where f dash of x. That is equal to, we will get it cos 120 and then plus what we will get it sin 120. Then sin 120. Space is not enough here, better. I'm writing there. Okay. Let me do it here. Now I'm taking x is equal to 3 pi by 4. Now left at 3 pi by 4, left at 3 pi by 4 and right at 3 pi by 4. Right at 3 pi by 4. What I told you, known value we have to take it, otherwise it is quite difficult. X equal to 120 degree, 135 degree का right value, known value I am taking 150 degree. Okay, fine. Now f dash of x equal to cos 120 and then cos 120 plus sin 120. F dash of x here beta, this is f dash of x. I am substituting here, that is we will get sin 120. Now we have to find the exact value, then only we can decide positive negative. Cos 120 is cos 180 minus 60 करना है, कर लो. Cos 180 minus 60, second quadrant minus cos 60. बेटा cos 60 कितने 1 by 2 में बच्चे 1 by 2 and sin 20 almost second quadrant में आएगा बेटा. I think this becomes root 3 by 2. Isn't it better? Anyhow we are getting positive. Clear? Now here if I substitute f dash of 150, better value you have to check it whether value is correct or not. Now 150 if I substitute cos 150 and then plus sin 150. Now cos 150 cos 180 minus 30, again minus cos 30 minus cos 30, I think root 3 by 2. Of course here आएगा 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 आएगा. Now we are getting here negative. If the sign changes from positive to negative implies क्या बोलोगे बेटा? f of x is बोलो maximum. Yes, f of x is maximum and its maximum values and its maximum values कहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करोगे? f of 3 pi by 4. कौन सा वैल्यू पे हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं? 3 pi by 4. So f of 3 pi by 4 equal to sin 3 pi by 4, sin 3 pi by 4 minus cos 3. What are the most important repeated 6 mark क्वेश्चन है बेटा. इसका वैल्यू निकालना आता है आपको, अदरवाइज आपका इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक में सिखाया भी है. दिस वी कैन राइट pi minus pi by 4 minus cos. जैसे भी आप करना चाहते हो, दैट इज योर कंफर्टेबिलिटी. आई डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम्स. cos 180 sin 180 minus pi by 4 sin theta. So that is sin pi by 4 cos 180 minus pi by 4, that is minus, so plus cos pi by 4. Now that is equal to 1 by root 2 and then plus 1 by root 2. तभी तो ये 6 mark question में आता है बेटा. That is equal to, we will get final result is root 2. We have one more value, that is 7 pi by 4 पे discuss करना है. Let us discuss. First write down first. Are you clear बच्चे? Yes बेटा. Yes. Write down and try to understand. It is so easiest one. Yesterday 12th A student 2-3 students and 12th B student 2-3 were absent. Please be on regular again I am saying. Beta board is completely visible.
Yes ma'am.
better write fast, okay?
Ma'am, done.
Yes, beta. Yes. Now one more value we have to check it. Those who are writing, remind you should write it. I am checking another one more value. That is x is equal to 7 pi by 4. Okay. Now left at 7 pi by 4 and right at 7 pi by 4. Right at 7 pi by 4. 7 pi by 4 कितने डिग्री होता है बेटा? 7 into 45 कितने डिग्री? 315 बच्चे 315 है 7 into 45 into 7 करो बेटा या 315 okay so 315 का nearest known value let me take x is equal to 300 degree and then here I will take x is equal to 330 degree. It should be known value, otherwise it is quite difficult to decide positive negative. Are you clear what I am saying? Now I am substituting f dash of 300, that's equal to, that is I am substituting here beta, so that is cos 300 and then plus sin 300. Cos 300 ka we can write cos 360 minus 60 or otherwise cos 270 plus 30, that is your choice. Cos 360 minus 60 if I do, that is a fourth quadrant, cos is positive, so we will get it cos 60 and of course this we will get it minus sin 60. Clear? Now cos 60 is 1 by 2 and sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Anyhow negative value we are getting more here. Now this side if I substitute f dash of 330 if I keep, now that's equal to cos 330. Just simple, you should know trigonometric term बेटा, बस और कुछ नहीं है. ऐसा ही क्वेश्चन आता है बोर्ड में 6 मार्क क्वेश्चन में. Now that is equal to, again this can be written as cos 360 minus 30, so we will get it in cos 30. Fourth quadrant positive हो जाएगा. This naturally sin 30. Cos 30 we will get it root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. We are getting here positive. If the sign changes from negative to positive, then it implies fx क्या है बेटा? fx is क्या है? Minimum. And its minimum values and its minimum values. So given function में substitute करोगे f of 7 pi by 4, that is equal to, that is sin 7 pi by 4 and then minus cos 7 pi by 4. Now you know how to find the value. I am erasing this side also. Now that is, we need the value of sin 7 pi by 4. If you don't know, you can split it. You know how to split it. This can be written as that is 2 pi minus pi by 4, isn't it? And then minus cos, we can write 2 pi minus pi by 4. That is 360. So that is equal to which quadrant? Fourth quadrant negative आ जाएगा. Minus sin is pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4. क्योंकि ये पॉजिटिव होगा, बीच में नेगेटिव साइन है. Now that is equal to minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2, that's equal to minus 2. So we are getting minimum value is minus 2 and maximum value is 2. This is one of the repeated 6 mark question, board question beta. Are you clear everybody? Yes बच्चे? Yes. अभी इसी में क्वेश्चन नंबर, yes बेटा, इसी क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में फर्स्ट पार्ट से लेके 8th पार्ट तक लोकल मैक्सिमम लोकल मिनिमम बेसिस पे होमवर्क करोगे. पहला पार्ट देखोगे एक्स क्यूब दे रखा है, एक्स क्यूब को डिफरेंशिएट करोगे क्या आएगा 3x स्क्वायर. 3x स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 0, x का वैल्यू 0 आएगा. देन लेफ्ट एट 0 में माइनस 0.9 उठाओ और राइट एट 0 में 0.1 उठाओ. आर यू क्लियर? सो यू हैव टू डू, आई हैव डन 3 पार्ट, देन यू हैव टू डू 5 पार्ट for local maximum, local minimum. That means using first derivative, find local maximum and local minimum value. So question number 3, all part are homework. Now let you complete first, then I will start second derivative. बेटा थोड़ा फास्ट करने पड़ेगा बच्चे,
I'm done.
Yes, everybody have done better. Now let me introduce second derivative, then we will see what is absolute value. I will complete all definition, everything today. Then we will... Yes, beta.
Just 1 second.
You complete it. Yes, बच्चे.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now it is second derivative. Better we have seen one is without a derivative test. Without a derivative test, I told you क्या concept बताया? That means we should have some reality. Then only without a derivative test we can discuss maximum and minimum value. Then we have seen local maximum, local minimum. Local minimum maximum means you approach first derivative test, because we are taking very nearest value for testing. That's why we say local maximum, local minimum. Now second derivative, actually this is general. In case if they are not saying anything, okay, local maximum, find maximum and minimum value, means you should go for only second derivative test. That is easiest one. If they are not saying any particular test, then you should take second derivative. It is easy to do derivative test, second derivative test. Now listen, first let me give definition, then I will give you example. Let y equal to f of x is a real valued function. Definition sabhi likhna beta. Is a real valued function, a real valued function defined on closed interval, or otherwise defined on I, may be closed, may be open, such that now algorithm I am giving. Now first to find the f dash of x. Find what? F dash of x. Now let f dash of, what will we have done in first derivative? F dash of x equal to 0, so that we get value of x. So that we get value of x. Okay. So say x is equal to a. Okay. So which belongs to कहाँ पे होना चाहिए? I के अंदर. Now step number 2, find the second derivative. Find f2 dash of x. It is so simple test beta. Now I am giving two conditions if f2 dash of x. Better see, before taking this test, write everybody one note. Note लिखना first derivative test के लिए. If write note everybody. Are you writing बच्चे? Say yes, no? Yes, right. If f dash of x does not sign change, if f dash of x does not change in sign, does not change in sign means change in sign का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? पॉजिटिव आ रहा है, वहां पे भी पॉजिटिव आ रहा है, लेफ्ट में भी पॉजिटिव, राइट में भी पॉजिटिव, लेफ्ट में भी नेगेटिव, राइट में भी नेगेटिव आ गया. इफ f dash of x does not change in sign from left to right, left to right, then f of x is called f of x, that then x is called, that value is called, x is called point of inflection. समझ आ रहा है बेटा? if f dash of x क्योंकि पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव आ गया, you say minimum, नेगेटिव टू पॉजिटिव आ गया, you say maximum. Suppose if there is no change in sign, positive to positive, तभी तो बोला there is no maximum, there is no minimum. So if f dash of x does not change in sign from left to right, then we say that point is called point of inflection. Are you clear beta? Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you write down this note in first derivative test. Now I am talking about the second derivative test. So second derivative test, what I told you, first you have to find the f dash of x. Let f dash of x equal to 0, so that we get x. We are taking say x is equal to a. Now we are finding f2 dash of x. If f2 dash of x less than 0, strictly less than 0 at x is equal to a, implies f of x is called maximum. F of x is called what? Maximum at x is equal to a, and the maximum value वही f of a होगा बेटा. Now maximum and its maximum value and its maximum value is क्या होगा f of a, मतलब जो पॉइंट पे डिस्कस कर रहे हैं उसको उठा के रखते हैं. Now in case if f2 dash of x, if f2 dash of x is greater than 0 at x is equal to a, implies we say fx is called minimum and its minimum value is and its minimum value is f of a. Okay, whatever the point you are taking, whatever you are getting minimum maximum, substitute that point in f of x, you will get maximum minimum value. Now third part, if f2 dash of x, if you are substituting value at equal to 0 आ गया, either less than 0 or maximum we say, greater than 0 or we say minimum. In case you are substituting value of x in f2 dash of x, suppose if you are getting equal to 0 at x is equal to a, then x is called point of inflection. बस ये 3 है आपका. ये सेकंड डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट में मैंने क्या बताया बेटा, सिंपल f dash of x निकालेंगे, let f dash of x equal to 0, so then get value of x, find f2 dash of x, सब्स्टिट्यूट करो x का वैल्यू वहां पे. इन केस इफ यू आर गेटिंग f2 dash of x less than 0 we say maximum, if you are getting f2 dash of x greater than 0 positive आ गया we say minimum, and then if you are getting f2 dash of x equal to 0 then we say that point is called point of inflection. Are you clear बच्चे? Say yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes beta, write down. I will give you example. Fast, hurry up everybody. यस बच्चे,
Yes, ma'am.
यस बेटा, एवरीबडी हैव रिटन? Beta, you have to use your energy in positive way. That's keep in your mind. Unnecessarily don't corrupt your mind. You think positive. You can read more books. You can improve your language skill. You can read so many entrance books. You have lot of time. Do hard work. This is time. You have to divert your energy completely towards positive side. Now beta, have you written? बच्चे, now beta, yes. Now see, I am taking same question number 3. We have done first derivative test. One they are saying you have to do same question second derivative test also. So now I will take different question for second derivative test. Question number 3. So again 1 to 8 part I am taking second derivative test. बेटा सबसे पहले I am taking this 8th part for second derivative test. Question number 3, 8th part, that is f of x equal to, here given x into under root of 1 minus 6, where x value is positive. That means we cannot take negative value, only positive value. Procedure you know, find first f dash of x. You should know the differentiation. Now product rule we have to use. Keep x as a constant. Root x का differentiation 1 by 2 root x into differentiation of inside 1 का differentiation 0, x का differentiation 1, but it becomes minus, so we will get minus. Are you clear? Now please keep it 1 minus x is constant, differentiation of x becomes 1. Now you should bring into simplest form, so f dash of x equal to minus x plus, if I take LCM here, प्लस ट्वाइस ऑफ 1 माइनस एक्स द होल अपॉन 2 इंटू अंडर रूट ऑफ, बहुत ध्यान से वेरी क्लियर करो बेटा. नाउ इफ आई सिंप्लीफाई दिस, फाइनली व्हाट आई एम getting f dash of x equal to, if I open this minus 2x, so 2 minus 3x the whole upon twice of under root of 1 minus x, this is f dash of x. Now let f dash of x, it is so simple beta, f dash of x equal to 0, this goes to that side 0, this implies x is equal to, we are getting 2 by 3, the value of x is 2 by 3. If it is a local maximum, local minimum, you know nearest left, nearest right लेते हैं, but it is a second derivative test मैंने introduce किया. Now I am finding f2 dash of x. Now you have to very careful quotient rule. Now denominator का square, so 2 into under root of 1 minus x का whole square. Now keep denominator as a constant 1 minus x. Now numerator differentiation minus 3 and then minus, keep numerator as a constant, denominator का differentiation 2 into, ये 2 as it is रखो, root x का differentiation अभी बताया 1 upon 2 root x into differentiation of denominator in this under root 1 minus x करूँगी, that I will get it minus 1. Clear to you? Now this 2 will be cancelled, very carefully how to do. Now f2 dash of x is equal to what we are getting finally. मुझे बेटा नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव से मतलब है, वैल्यू से मतलब नहीं है. So I am getting minus 6 into, if I take LCM, so minus 6 into 1 minus 6 and then minus plus, very carefully, please everybody see the calculation whether I am doing correct or not. Now I have taken LCM here, this I have multiplied, minus 6 into 1 minus 6 minus plus 2 minus 3x, the whole upon what I am getting 4 into 1 minus x, 4 into 1 minus, if I simplify this numerator, what I am getting minus 6 and then plus 6x and then plus 2 minus 3x, we have, keep patience and do bring simplest form, then only we can do testing, otherwise testing nahi kar paoge. Now we are getting here beta, that is a 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4 the whole upon 4 into 1 minus 6. Now you have to substitute x is equal to this value 2 by 3, f of 2 by 3, f2 dash of 2 by 3, that is equal to 3 into 2 by 3 minus 4 the whole upon 4 into 1 minus 2 by 3. Anyhow, I need a positive negative. I don't want exact value beta. Numerator it will be cancelled. Numerator is negative. 2 minus 4 we will get negative, and denominator we will get anyhow positive क्योंकि 3 minus 2 positive हो जाएगा. So we will get it total negative. So we are getting f2 dash of 2 by 3 which is less than 0, implies, बोलो बेटा f of x क्या होगा बच्चे? Implies f of x is, हाँ बेटा,
maximum.
Yes, well done. F of x is maximum and its maximum values, under its maximum values substitute करोगे f of 2 by 3, that is equal to 2 by 3 into under root of what? In case if you are getting negative value, you have to neglect negative value because they are giving condition here x is greater than 0. So 1 minus 2 by 3. Now that is equal to 2 by 3 into that is if I take 1 upon root 3, so that is equal to, we will get 2 by 3 root 3. Root 3 से multiply and divide करना है, कर लो बेटा, that is up to your choice. और इसलिए second derivative is so simple test. What I told you, find the f dash of x, should bring into simplest form. Let f dash of x equal to 0.
मैम
बोलो बेटा.
आपने f dash of x निकाला है तब प्लस रूट 1 प्लस x क्यों किया है? 1 माइनस x.
हाँ बेटा, दोबारा बोलो.
मैम f dash of x निकाला है जहाँ पे आपने, तो प्लस 1 माइनस रूट x क्यों लिया है?
बच्चे यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट रूल, x is a one variable under root of, so uv सबसे पहले देखना बेटा, u का रखा मैंने, x को कांस्टेंट रखा, रूट x को, क्लियर, प्रोडक्ट रूल. बच्चे यहाँ ही आपने, क्योंकि आपको प्रोसीजर मैंने सिखा दिया, डेफिनेटली आपको समझ आ जाता है, नहीं है तो एक बार दोबारा देखोगे समझ आ जाएगा. लेकिन जब तक डिफरेंशिएशन का बेस कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं समझोगे ना बेटा, इट इज क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव. इसलिए प्लीज अगेन आई एम सेइंग यू रिवाइज थराउली डिफरेंशिएशन टॉपिक, देन ओनली यू कैन एबल टू डू एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव. और आपको पता 33% दे आर सेइंग दे विल रिड्यूस द सिलेबस. इसका मतलब डिफरेंशिएशन एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव मेजर वेटेज होगा बेटा, ये बात को ध्यान रखें सभी. प्लीज राइट डाउन बच्चे, फास्ट हरी अप. Now just I am taking one more example, then I will tell you क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू। बेटा बहुत स्लो जा रहे हैं बच्चे, थोड़ा फास्ट जाने पड़ेगा बेटा। हैव यू रिटन बच्चे? राइट फास्ट। Rest of the question you can do it. One question I am taking trigonometry. Yes, बच्चे।
Yes, ma'am, done.
Now beta listen, I am taking next third part, one trigonometry question, then I will start take question number. So whatever remaining question number 3 में I told you already local maximum local minimum करना है, उसी सेम क्वेश्चन को सेकंड डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट में भी जाना है। पहले लोकल मैक्सिमम लोकल मिनिमम बेसिस पे करो, यू नीड लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस, इसलिए दोबारा इसी क्वेश्चन को मैंने 2 क्वेश्चन कर रही हूँ सेकंड डेरिवेटिव से, बाकी 6 पार्ट यू हैव टू डू योर ओन। सो आपको प्रोसीजर बताया हाउ टू डू, यू हैव टू फॉलो इट। नाउ लिसन बेटा, h dash of x equal to cos x minus sin x, ओके डिफरेंशिएशन कर लिया। नाउ लेट h dash of x equal to 0, if I take that is cos x is equal to, we will get a sin x, implies if I divide it, tan x is equal to 1 we will get it tan pi by 4 and then 5 pi by 4 etc. It will go on. Now x is equal to, we are getting pi by 4 comma 5 pi by 4 etc. But here interval given 0 to pi by 2. Previously एक क्वेश्चन किया लोकल मैक्सिमम 0 to 2 pi था, तभी 7 pi by 4 भी लिया, बट यहाँ पे I cannot take 5 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4 I think 215 or something आएगा, that does not belongs to this, that x is equal to pi by 4 which belongs to open interval 0 to pi by 4. Now फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट तो पता, नियरेस्ट लेफ्ट नियरेस्ट राइट जाओगे, लेफ्ट में 30 डिग्री लो, राइट में 60 डिग्री लो, बट इट सेकंड डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट, सो h2 dash of x निकालेंगे, cos का डिफरेंशिएशन माइनस sin x and sin का डिफरेंशिएशन माइनस cos x, ओके फाइन। नाउ यू हैव टू सब्स्टिट्यूट h2 dash of pi by 4, so that is equal to minus sin pi by 4 and then minus cos pi by 4, minus sin pi by 4 you will get it minus 1 by root 2 anyhow which is less than 0। आपका वैल्यू का जरूरत ही नहीं है, वो तो आपकी सिर्फ पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव से मतलब है, which is less than 0 anyhow we are getting, so this implies h of x is क्या होगा बेटा, h of x is maximum and its maximum value is and its maximum value is given function में रखोगे h of pi by 4 equal to sin pi by 4 and then plus cos pi by 4 sin pi by 4, that's equal to 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, that is equal to, we will get it to root 2. So second derivative test, nothing is difficult. I told you algorithm set in your mind, then start do it, is quite easy. बेटा करोगे question number 3 remaining part, can you do homework? बच्चे say yes no, okay? But please don't speak single student, वो दो एक girl एक boy का boys आ रहा है बेटा, please everybody should involve, please. Now beta take your book, now see question number 4 बच्चे। question number 4, prove that the following function do not have maximum, do not have minimum। ये एक फंक्शन को मैक्सिमम मिनिमम देखो, नाइदर मैक्सिमम नॉर मिनिमम, ये कब हो सकता है जब कोई फ्लक्चुएशन आ रहा है, लेकिन डू नॉट हैव मैक्सिमम डू नॉट हैव मिनिमम का मतलब उसका मैक्सिमम मिनिमम है ही नहीं। कब नहीं होगा, जब x का वैल्यू ही नहीं है भाई, x का वैल्यू होगा तभी तो मैं टेस्टिंग करूंगी। टेस्टिंग में लेस देन 0 वो बताया, ग्रेटर देन 0 वो टेस्टिंग बताया, इक्वल टू 0 आ गया व्हाट विल गेट आंसर वो बताया। इन केस मान लो इफ देयर इज नो वैल्यू ऑफ x, हाउ कैन आई डू टेस्टिंग, उसी केस में द फंक्शन डू नॉट हैव मैक्सिमम डू नॉट हैव मिनिमम बोलते हैं, ये बात को ध्यान रखो। अब देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में फॉर एग्जाम्पल पहला क्वेश्चन देखना बेटा, मैं जस्ट लेट मी डू 1 or 2 क्वेश्चन ex। अब नाउ आपका स्टेप्स तो बताया, f dash of x निकालोगे दैट्स इक्वल टू ex। नाउ लेट f dash of x इक्वल टू क्या लोगे बेटा, लेट f dash of x इक्वल टू 0 दिस इम्प्लाइज ex इज इक्वल टू 0. बेटा कभी ex 0 हो सकता है बच्चे? यस बेटा ex कभी x ना, दिस इज नॉट एट ऑल पॉसिबल. इम्प्लाइज देयर इज नो x, देयर इज no x, no value of x, no value of x. Therefore f of x do not have f of x's do not have f of x do not have maximum, do not have maximum और क्या लिखोगे मिनिमम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सेकेंड पार्ट देखना बेटा, log x. log x का डिफरेंशिएट करोगे क्या आएगा? 1/x. 1/x इज इक्वल टू 0. x का वैल्यू क्या आएगा? पॉसिबल है ही नहीं. देयरफॉर f of there is no value of x. fx do not have maximum, minimum. और थर्ड पार्ट देखना बेटा, थर्ड पार्ट में क्या दे रखा है आपके पास? h of x इज इक्वल टू क्या दे रखा है बेटा? x क्यूब प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर एंड देन प्लस एक्स प्लस 1 दे रखा है. अब इसको आप डिफरेंशिएट करो, h डैश ऑफ x निकालो बेटा. दैट इज इक्वल टू 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 1. एनीहाउ लेट h डैश ऑफ x इक्वल टू 0, x का वैल्यू निकालेंगे. सो 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 1 इक्वल टू 0. तो x का वैल्यू फैक्टराइजेशन होगा ही नहीं है बेटा. x का माइनस b प्लस आर माइनस से करती हूँ, प्लस आर माइनस अंडर रूट ऑफ माइनस b प्लस आर माइनस अंडर रूट ऑफ b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac माइनस 12 अपॉन क्या आएगा? 2a. देयर इज नो रियल रूट्स. अंडर रूट के अंदर नेगेटिव आ गया, सो रियल रूट्स नहीं है. देयर इज नो रियल रूट्स, देयर इज नो रियल रूट्स. समझ आए बेटा? रियल रूट्स. देयरफॉर f of x है h of x. देयरफॉर h of x do not have. बच्चे समझ आए? यस राइट डाउन बेटा, राइट डाउन.
Yes, ma'am.
यस राइट डाउन बच्चे प्लीज.
Yes, ma'am.
डू नॉट हैव मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम. राइट डाउन फास्ट. आई थॉट आज एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू भी खत्म करूंगी, बट टाइम इज रनिंग. प्लीज राइट फास्ट एवरीबॉडी. Have you done better? Anyhow, question number 4 में एक पार्ट आपको होमवर्क दिया, that's you have to do it. So question number 3, there are 2 I told you. One is local maximum, local minimum basis पे you have to do all the question, and then as per second derivative again you have to do same question testing so that you can get practice.